Genital herpes is a lifelong condition. That means that once you've contracted it, the virus stays in your nerve cells forever, even if you never have symptoms. And while that might sound overwhelming, there's good news. For starters, genital herpes is usually dormant or inactive, so try not to panic or assume that you'll have to swear off sexual activity forever. Genital herpes is manageable with the right education and guidance from your healthcare provider. They can prescribe you a daily oral medication to keep the symptoms under control. And there are also steps you can take to try to minimize your herpes outbreaks. It can be helpful to try to figure out your specific triggers or what causes your outbreaks. For some people, it can be stress or fatigue. Keep track of your outbreaks to see what may be causing your symptoms. There are times, though, when you can't control your triggers. Sometimes the virus can be activated by an infection, an illness, a weakened immune system, or even menstrual periods. In these cases, there are things you can do to reduce your symptoms and minimize the outbreak. Ask your doctor about systemic antiviral medications, which can help control the signs and symptoms of genital herpes. And there are things you can do at home to ease your symptoms too. Apply an ice pack to your genitals. But make sure to protect your skin by wrapping the ice pack in a washcloth. Taking a warm bath can ease some of the pain of a herpes outbreak, but too much moisture can irritate an outbreak. When you are not in the bath or shower, keep your genitals dry by wearing cotton underwear and avoiding tight-fitting clothes. You can also take ibuprofen and use over-the-counter lidocaine cream to reduce your pain and discomfort. You may be feeling all kinds of emotions as you deal with an outbreak, but through it all, try to remember, although genital herpes is a lifelong condition, your outbreak will subside. Talk to your healthcare provider about how best to manage your genital herpes so that you can prevent future outbreaks.